prevent a replaced toilet handle from sticking by selecting a spring return design, adjusting the chain slack, and confirming the handle and mounting are compatible so the lever can move freely. Start by choosing a spring-loaded replacement like the Korky Strongarm 6071, which has a built-in return mechanism that pulls the lever back to level after a flush. When you install it, make sure the handle shaft sits square in the tank hole and the mounting nut is snug but not over-tightened, so the lever is not bound by the tank wall. Adjust the flapper chain so there is 1/4 to 1/2 inch of slack at rest. Too tight will hold the flapper open and too loose will delay lift. Lubricate the contact points with a small amount of food-grade silicone grease on the metal to plastic pivot if you feel roughness, and avoid petroleum-based lubricants that can degrade plastic parts. If your replacement is brass or metal and the tank boss is plastic, add a thin plastic washer to prevent metal on plastic seizure and to keep the lever rotating freely. Finally, cycle the handle several times after adjustments and observe the flapper seating and lever return so you can fine-tune chain length and nut tension without guessing. Common problems include the chain being too tight, which prevents the lever from returning. Fix this by adding a little slack so the flapper rests fully closed and the spring can return the arm. Another issue is the mounting nut over-tightened or cross-threaded, which binds the shaft. Back off the nut slightly and realign the shaft so it turns smoothly, using a felt or plastic washer to reduce friction if needed. A third concern is incompatible handle geometry, where the replacement lever contacts the tank or inner components. Swap to a handle with a shorter or differently angled arm, or install a spacer so the handle clears obstacles and the spring can operate. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for toilet repairs and whole home projects by connecting people through project listings and profile pages. We also help contractors find work by allowing them to advertise services and participate in our active discussion community, where practical tips and real-world experiences get shared.